Alright, so today I'm going to get my PC case. Let's get it. The sun is hurting my eyes.
The politicians, the tourists have blamed the government that they've done. Them going on a tour. Which one did you send now? That's like the old thing that I know, like just the old thing. Okay? When I come and next time.
I'll do this. I'll put my the barcode would identify me. And if you see me, I'm here all the time. So I'll do that.
That was a long day because I had to go to a party. But we got our motherboard and our case. So yeah, and that's PC case. Here are the fans right there, if you could see them. They have those little rings around them, which are the RGB lights. And this is what it actually looks like, but it has a liquid cooler. And I'm not getting a liquid cooler because I'm not overclocking. But yeah, this is the PC case. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. That's where the CPU goes. Memory. Graphics card. That's all I know. But look at that. That looks so nice. Well, goodbye, motherboard. Let's slot in. Over here. Whew. Alright guys, I'll see you next week with another PC build thing. Well, something to build the PC. So see you later.